Sergio and welcome to my channel. Today we have MARJOLAINE, my girlfriend from a long time. We met backstage, but now we are in front of the camera because we're gonna do a sexy cat eye and she's perfect for it. How are you?
I'm fine, you?
Very well, très bien. So I'm doing a very quick tutorial right after this presentation. So now we're going to apply this moisturizer. Because I want the skin to absorb all the properties, I will do makeup while the moisturizer penetrates the skin. After the moisturizer, I'm going to concentrate this white de Chanel, Le Blanc de Chanel lotion, which is a primer. You've been seeing my tutorials and I'm basically addicted to this wonderful lotion that leaves the skin basically perfect. You don't really see the trace of a product, you don't see the heaviness of a foundation, it's just magic. The more you blend this product and the more you apply it all over the face, just making it disappear from the original spot, the better it will look. You just gotta blend it with a brush or if you want with a sponge. You just gotta disappear in the face in order to make the best of it. So now with this lip liner, yes, a lip liner from ILLAMASQUA, we are going to do the fake eyeliner. I'm just going to draw in her eyes the shape of a cat eye, so that way I'm gonna fill it in with a liquid eyeliner because this is a really easy way to do the technique. Just keep your eyes open and I'm going to draw an imaginary line, so that way I just have an idea how is it going to look when I apply the final color. I chose a lip liner because the color is very similar to the skin and you can erase it and you can manipulate it as much as you want. It helps you so much to create the perfect shape without putting a dark color that later will be difficult to correct or erase. So now that I built my shape, I'm gonna go over with the ILLAMASQUA liquid eyeliner. You'll see that it's way easier just to color whatever you did before instead of drawing it from scratch with a dark eyeliner. This is for people that don't have any practice or someone that wants a tip. So the idea of this cat eye was to draw a fake eyeliner made by a lip liner. So it doesn't really get the eye dirty. It's perfect to draw in and later I will clean up all the mess. And I decided to use this copper color because you can use it during the day and during the night. It's not as harsh as the black that it only looks amazing at night. And it sometimes doesn't really fit your outfit or the situation. I think makeup is about the moment. It's not about a trend. It's about making the moment unforgettable. For some reason, this liquid eyeliner is really difficult to apply. It's very watery. I love the color, but I don't think the texture is gonna help me at all. Well, I think I'm going to replace it with something else because from close, it looks really, really different. I'm going to clean up the excess of liquid eyeliner all over the lid and I'm gonna prepare it for the new color and the lashes as well. Right. Now we're gonna use this amazing product from NATURA BISSÉ because it's really light and we don't really see the product on the skin. MARJOLAINE loves the sponges, right? Mm-hmm. I love this product because you can really pile and pile and pile and pile product and you will never see the product on the skin. It's really light and weightless. It's a wonderful foundation, which is not really a foundation, it's basically created to get the tiredness from the eyes and it totally camouflages and fixes the skin in less than a second. Now I am spreading all over because I want to create an even effect for the camera, but you don't really need it for real life. You can actually get away with murder with a little bit in real life because the product really glides on the skin and you can extend it everywhere. finished the skin and I realized the eyeliner is cracking. I'm gonna go over with the liquid eyeliner from Rihanna and it's called Nip Turn. If you have been following me, you know that I love to put individual fake eyelashes in every makeup that I do. I do a lot of mistakes when it comes to eyeliner and I need my Bioderma or micellar lotion next to me all the time to correct all the imperfections and my mistakes. I'm gonna use this stick by Herborian just to add a little bit of light under the eyes. I'm gonna play with a flat brush. So now we're gonna use this amazing medical product from NARS Cosmetics. The color is Palm Beach and it's a famous bar, and we're gonna play it with a big brush from KEVYN AUCOIN, the medical makeup artist from the 90s and 80s. From New York, he was famous for creating the contour. A lot of people say that Mario, the Kim Kardashian makeup artist, created it, but it was KEVYN AUCOIN who created the contour, and Mario himself, he will admit it. I'm not going to take it to the heavy level. I'm just gonna keep it natural because this girl is going out right after this tutorial.
What?
You're going out, right? So I'm going to apply more mascara. This is the Lash Impact from number 7, the British makeup line. And this is a new mascara that I just got from my makeup box, gift box. I'm going to mix the mascara with the fake eyelashes and the real eyelashes so I can create a mega super big mascara coat. And I'm just gonna apply it on the top mascara. The eyebrows from Chanel in English. And this is a very friendly and easy product to use. I'm just going to add a little bit of color on top and just gonna follow her shape to emphasize the strength of her beautiful face. I'm not gonna change the eyebrow at all, just gonna follow and feeling the little bit of imperfections she has, but overall it's a perfect eyebrow. So from Gillian Dempsey, I'm gonna use the cheek tint, and the color is Scarlet Rouge. And it's pretty intense color, but I'm gonna use it with a thick brush, so I don't put a lot of product, just a little bit in the apple of her cheeks to make it look natural and flushy, more of a sport type of blush. I love thick brushes because they can really help you do natural touches and they don't localize product, just blend it immediately. I'm gonna go with this Charlotte Tilbury color because I think it's actually perfect, and I'm going to apply it directly. And now with the iridescent lipstick, I'm going to add it on top of the lips and in the center of the lower lip for volume. We're gonna use this magical product from Mali Roncal in the areas where we want to blot the shine, and I'm gonna apply it with a big brush because big brushes make more of a natural application. We're gonna use Russell Drops for MAC. This is supposed to be a face product, but I'm gonna use it on top of the eyeliner to create another light effect. So this is my quick tutorial about liquid eyeliners, and I think it's wonderful, modern, and the most amazing way to do liquid eyeliners is when you have a wonderful dewy skin, shiny skin. I'm here with MARJOLAINE, who loves to keep her skin really natural. I'm glad that you saw the mistake that I picked an eyeliner that didn't work and I replaced it immediately with an eyeliner that worked. So I hope you like it, and remember to follow me on Instagram at Sergio Corbacho Beauty, to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is in 3 languages, Sergio Corbacho Beauty School, and on my Facebook fan page. I hope to see you soon, and please, you can ask me all the questions you want. See you soon. Bye.
Bye guys.